Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SKLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Wednesday. Remember, the markets were closed yesterday for Thanksgiving. So that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And just want to get a few things updated here, not necessarily in the sense of new levels of support or new levels of resistance, but more so just confirmation of levels that I've talked about in the past videos that I've done. And the first area of confirmation that we have is in regards to this $3 and what I call that, about 50-cent range, which is that area of support right there based on that green line. And for those of you that did watch past videos, talked about that being a level of support that you'd like to see hold. And not only did it hold today, actually kind of acted as a nice little trampoline right there and did bounce the price back upwards. So good to see 350. That level that you would want to see act as support did indeed act as support. And like I said, actually not only acted as support, but then helped push the price back upwards. So that's a good sign of strength right there. So going into next week, 350, continues to be that ideal level. Good news now, though, is there's quite a bit of wiggle room. I mean, the price closed up there. So for 350 to even be threatened again, the price would have to fall all the way back down there. So always good when the supports start to get, and create level or, quote unquote wiggle room for themselves. And that's exactly what happened today. The flip side of the confirmation is that, again, will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the past videos, but hopefully you guys remember me talking about this as a level of resistance right here at about $4.40, give or take a little bit. And you can see that's exactly where the price did, act as resistance today. Yes, temporarily did get above it, but that didn't last very long, and then the price ultimately closed below it. So 440 still going to be a key level of resistance going into next week. I would fully agree that, today probably weakened it up a little bit, but we care about where the price ultimately closed, and the price did close below it. Therefore, the price could not get a true break, and it's still got to be considered an area of resistance. So 440 remains that level of resistance, but the good news is price closed just slightly below it, so it's not like the bulls have to travel a long distance tomorrow just to do battle with it again. They're sitting right here below it, and then of course after that, up there at about 550 is the next level. But before we're talking about that level of resistance, first got to get up through there. So good little end to the week. So next week should be quite interesting to see just how this all unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.